Okay guys, today we are working on 2004 Honda Accord, no crank, no start. And before you do any job, try to ask the customer what's going on. So with that being said, you gotta listen to exactly what it's saying. Sometimes based on the explanation they're giving you, you can fix the car on that. So this lady said whenever this car will start, sometimes it will not start. And then she would try to move the wheel back and forth, and the wheel locked up. And then she kind of put the key in, mess with it again, it unlocked. So the reason the car was not starting is because of this thing right here. That's a security system here. So whenever she mess with the wheel, go on the opposite side, it kind of lock the wheel. So if she know exactly which position she put the car in, it definitely gonna unlock it. So I was messing with that. I got everything here out. I thought for it was ignition switch, so we got everything here out. And we got to find out the problem was this thing. I think she probably might have to change it because this thing has some type of delay on it. And because when you try to start the car, there's a sound going on in there. It should start right up. Look, you hear that? So based on that, I'm gonna try to replace this thing right here, and it should be good because I don't want to call back. I don't want to be out of here in the next 3 to 4 days or a week from now. They're gonna call me and be like, "Hey, the car is not starting." So we're gonna have to get rid of the security system, get a different one, and put it in. And the car is starting good, but this thing has some type of problem. Other than that, everything is back on. And at this point, sometimes a code reader help and sometimes they don't, man. So you don't depend on code reader as a mechanic, because sometimes it's not gonna give you any. There is an engine light on, and code reader said the problem is O2 sensor, but O2 sensor does not stop a car from starting. It probably might with some car, but not with this car. Because engine light still on, O2 sensor still there, and I got to find out the problem was this thing right here, the security system right there. That was the problem with this car. So I'm gonna tell her to change that, and we should be good from there. So stay to it, more mechanic Louisville. This is 2004 Honda Accord. Yeah.